What's up guys, it's Jason. I'm back on this small commercial job that we did the other day. This was a job I was showing you guys that had a lot of rotten plywood. Why did it have a lot of rotten plywood? Because it didn't have good roof slope. So we added a lot of roof slope to it. So we were able to push all the water off the back of the building. And the way we were able to do that is we added 1/4 inch per foot insulation board. And it's gonna add a lot of value as far as insulation to the building. And then it's gonna keep the water from ponding on the roof. And while we were at it, we went ahead and we put a really cool standing seam roof on. All this metal we made in-house on our CNC machine, and then we brought the machine here and made the panels, all the trim we made on our machine at the shop. They did a really nice job. It looks really cool. It all looks really nice from what it did before. One of the coolest things about having your own machines is we're able to make the drip edge go with the new roof slope. So you can't even see the slope from the ground. It just looks like a nice clean roof system. So here's the panels that we put on. This is the flat roof system that we installed. And then I'll show you guys, if you look under here, we added a big lip here like we always talk about, and then we got a little bit of overhang on the rubber in case it shrinks and comes back. This is longevity stuff that we do, but just a really clean metal roof system that they built. Just turned out really nice. I wanted to show you guys. Now we have a new system that's really clean, neat look. It's a standing seam metal roof system. We built everything in-house with our machines, came out here, installed it, and we wanted to give them a better product than what they had before. We wanted to make the building pop. Just came out really nice. It really transformed this building the way that it looks from before, and it's a really cool color. This is what the building owner wanted. So we added a lot of roof pitch to it, and we had to make our drip edge metal different and make it at a slope. There you go. So all this nice metal work just really transformed this building from what it looked like before.